Okay, another lecture video in philosophy in film. Today's topic is the meaning of life. And I don't really have much to say on what the meaning of life is, except to talk a little bit about the fact that it connects in with our question of what am I? There's some idea that we need to understand human nature and what makes a human life to figure out what the meaning of life is, that those things are intimately connected. Various answers have been given, and you can just Google or use whatever search engine you prefer the question, what is the meaning of life, and see what comes up there. And you'll find a lot of different answers. Some philosophers even think that the question doesn't make any sense, but a lot of people do, and a lot of people spend their lives maybe looking for the meaning of life. And maybe it's when times are challenging that we actually stop and ask this question, when we have great transitions in our lives, or maybe even great losses, that we wonder what the meaning of life is. But most of the time we probably don't think about it very much. So the viewing for this topic is an episode of the sitcom Everybody Loves Raymond. It's an episode called Talk to Your Daughter. And a sitcom just is a comedy series that involves a continuing cast of characters in a succession of episodes, usually often taking place in the same building or even the same room of a building most of the time, like a living room or an office space or something like that. And you can think of sitcoms that utilize spaces like that. And there's recurring characters. We get to know these characters and we know what they're like and how they behave often. And this is from very popular sitcom. This was season 6, episode 19. And these are the characters that are featured in the story. And this is a delicious dessert known as a cannoli, which also features in the story. So this is really all I have to say about the question of what is the meaning of life. It will be up to you to discuss and figure out what the answer to that question is. Cheers.